Cardano price predictions. Hi guys, welcome to Crypto News. In today's video, I will share with you forecast of Cardano 2023 to 2030. If you did not subscribe my channel, I recommend you to subscribe my channel for more latest news of cryptocurrencies. Cardano price prediction 2023 to 2025. Cardano is definitely one of those projects that have incredible potential outside of being an asset that gets traded for profit. Built on peer-reviewed academic research, Cardano has brought together strong community over the years. Its technical foundation and the ambition of its team have made ADA one of the top cryptocurrencies in the world. Let's take a closer look at what the Cardano cryptocurrency and project are all about and examine our ADA price forecast for the coming years. Cardano is the native token of a proof of stake blockchain that goes by the same name. The Cardano network was founded in 2015 by Ethereum co-founder Charles Hoskinson. Cardano Foundation states that its ultimate goal is to give innovators and visionaries a platform that will help them make the world a better place. To accomplish this, the Cardano team is building an inter interoperable and scalable multi-assets ledger with a platform for verifiable smart contracts. The Cardano blockchain was designed to be a more efficient alternative to proof of work network like Bitcoin or Ethereum. It has higher interoperability and scalability potential and is also faster, cheaper, and more sustainable than POW blockchains. The Cardano blockchain was designed to be a more efficient alternative to proof of work network like Bitcoin, Ethereum. It has the Cardano ecosystem runs on Ouroboros, the first post consensus protocol that is incredibly secure and above all is supported by academic research. Each change to the Cardano roadmap is peer reviewed and encoded by research based framework. If you would like to learn more about this innovative cryptocurrency and the way Cardano operates, watch more videos on this channel in future. What is Cardano used for? Cardano was built to empower the development of various decentralized applications, DeFi tools, tokens, and more in a sustainable and scalable way. ADA token price market prediction by experts. Cardano remains incredibly popular cryptocurrency despite having lot of competition. It is still one of the top 10 cryptocurrencies in the world by market cap. Most Cardano price predictions are bullish on this coin. After all, it has all the hallmarks of a successful crypto project, a great team, a supportive community, and a solid technical foundation. There are also some investors who become disappointed in this coin as they think it was unable to deliver on its promises. However, this seems to be a minority and most holders believe that the future price of ADA will overtake its previous ETH. ADA price analysis. Like many other cryptocurrencies, ADA has gone through a long period of stagnation in 2019-2020. Later on, however, it surged upwards, crossing over the $3 mark at its peak in late 2021. ADA price actions mirrors that of the rest of the crypto market. It went to the moon during the alt season in early 2018 shot up during the market booms of early and late 2021 and has had a snort period of price growth in March 2022. Unlike many other prominent coins and tokens, ADA's average price in 2022 ended up being lower than its minimum during the summer of 2021. The bear market that followed the market boom in November 2021 has affected Cardano more than the other top cryptocurrencies. This could be a sign that investors have started tuning away from the coin. Its trading volume has also gone down, however, it still seems to retain enough interest to follow whatever market boom will come next. Cardano Price Prediction 2022 ADA Price Forecast for September 2022 based on the price fluctuations of Cardano at the beginning of 2022. Crypto experts expect that average ADA rate of $0.55 in September 2022. Its minimum and maximum price can be expected at $0.49 and at $0.56 respectively. October 2022 Cardano price forecast. Cryptocurrency experts are ready to announce their forecast for ADA price in October 2022. The minimum trading cost might be $0.54 while the maximum might reach $0.59 during this month. On average, it is expected that the value of Cardano might be around $0.56. ADA price forecast for November 2022. Crypto analysts have checked the price fluctuations of Cardano in 2022 and in previous years, so the average ADA rate they predict might be around $0.58 in November 2022. It can drop to $0.56 as a minimum. The maximum value might be $0.62. December 2022 Cardano price forecast. In the middle of the year 2022, the ADA price will be traded at $0.60 on average. December 2022 might also witness an increase in the Cardano value to $0.64. It is assumed that the price will not drop lower than $0.58 in December 2022. Cardano price prediction for 2023. After the analysis of the prices of Cardano in previous years, it is assumed that in 2023 the minimum price of Cardano will be around $0.86. The maximum expected ADA price may be around $1.02. On average, the trading price might be $0.88 in 2023. Cardano price prediction for 2024 based on the technical analysis by cryptocurrency experts regarding the price of Cardano. In 2024, ADA is expected to have the following minimum and maximum prices: about $1.25 and $1.48 respectively. The average expected trading cost is $1.28. Cardano price prediction for 2025. The experts in the field of cryptocurrencies have analyzed the price of Cardano and their fluctuations during the previous years. It is assumed that in 2025 the minimum ADA price might drop to $1.93 while its maximum can reach $2.16. On average, the trading cost will be around $2. Cardano price prediction 2026. Based on the analysis of the cost of Cardano by crypto experts, the following maximum and minimum ADA price are expected in 2026 is $3.33 and $2.80. On average, it will be traded at $2.90. Cardano price for 2027. Predictions. Crypto experts are constantly analyzing the fluctuations of Cardano. Based on their predictions, the estimated average ADA price will be around $4.13. It might drop to a minimum of $3.99, but it still might reach $4.88 throughout 2027. Cardano price prediction for 2028. Every year, cryptocurrency experts prepare forecasts for the price of Cardano, it is estimated that ADA will be traded between $5.78 and $7.02 in 2028. Its average cost is expected at around $5.95 during these years. Cardano price prediction for 2029. Cryptocurrency analysts are ready to announce their estimations of the Cardano's price. The year 2029 will be determined by the maximum ADA price of $10.07. However, its rate might drop be around $8.49. So the expected average trading price is $8.72. In last Cardano price prediction 2030, after years of analysis, the Cardano price crypto experts are ready to provide their other cost estimation of for 2030. It will be traded for at least $13.09 with the possible maximum peaks at $14.89. Therefore, on average you can expect the ADA price to be around $13.43 in 2030.